Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert a scanned electronic signature in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to sign documents digitally without having to print, sign, and scan them back, saving you time and making your workflow much more efficient. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access all your documents and tools. This is your starting point for managing and editing PDF files within Adobe Acrobat. Next, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the documents you've worked on recently, making it easy to find what you need without digging through folders. From the recent files, select the PDF file you want to insert your scanned electronic signature into. Click on it to open the document in the editor view. Now, look at the upper left toolbar where you'll find various editing options. Click on eSign. This tool is specifically designed for adding signatures to your documents, whether they're typed, drawn, or scanned images like the one we're working with today. Once you've clicked eSign, you'll notice a left sidebar appears with additional options. In this sidebar, click on Add Signature. This opens up the Signature tool where you can choose how you want to add your signature to the document. From the options presented, click on Image. This tells Adobe Acrobat that you want to insert a signature that's already saved as an image file on your computer rather than creating a new one from scratch. A file browser window will pop up. Select your scanned signature from wherever you've saved it on your computer, then click Open. This imports your signature image into Adobe Acrobat and makes it ready to be placed onto your document. After selecting your signature, click Apply. This confirms your selection and activates the Signature tool, allowing you to position it on your document. Now you can place it wherever you want on the PDF. Simply click on the spot where you'd like your signature to appear. The beauty of this method is that you have complete control over where your signature goes. If you want to resize your signature to fit better within the document, drag the corner of the signature box to resize it. This ensures your signature looks proportional and professional within the context of the document. Finally, in the upper right corner, click the Save button. This saves all your changes to the PDF file, including